In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subscribers on Beehiiv. Managing your audience efficiently is crucial, and sometimes you might need to clean up your subscriber list to ensure it's up to date or to remove unintended subscriptions. So, let's dive in and navigate this process together. First, we begin by going to the Beehiiv website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, simply type Beehiiv into your browser's search bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Beehiiv homepage, you'll see the login button prominently displayed, usually on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to a page where you can choose your preferred sign-in method. Many users find it convenient to use the sign in with Google option, so if your account is associated with Google, click on that. This will automatically authenticate you and grant access to your Beehiiv dashboard. Now that we're signed in, let's navigate to the audience section. From your dashboard, look for a menu or a sidebar link labeled audience. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page that shows various analytics and insights about your subscribers. Here you'll see another option labeled subscribers, which is our next stop. Click on subscribers to access the list of all the people currently subscribed to your Beehiiv content. Next, scroll through your subscriber list to find the email address you wish to delete. When you find it, click on that specific email. This action opens a detailed view for the selected subscriber, providing you with various options regarding how to manage their subscription. At this point, we're halfway there. Look for a drop-down menu labeled unsubscribe. It's usually situated above or near the subscriber's details. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see an option to delete. Before we proceed, it's worth noting that deletion is permanent, so please ensure you've selected the right subscriber for deletion. Once you're sure, click on delete. Beehiiv will prompt you to confirm this action. It's an extra step to prevent accidental deletions, so when you see the confirmation prompt, go ahead and click delete again to finalize this process. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully removed a subscriber from your Beehiiv list. Remember, keeping your subscriber list tidy can lead to better engagement metrics and a more personalized content strategy. If you have a long list to clean up, just repeat these steps as necessary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.